Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Narod here with letter J Bootcamp, ABC Bootcamp for letter J. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Alright, so I've got some pictures here that I need your help with, okay? And you're going to help me decide whether they start with J or not, and whether we need to put them in our boot camp circle map or not. Are you ready? All right, let's look at our first picture. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Our first picture is jellyfish. Jellyfish. Yes, I should put it in there, or no? You tell me. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Or say yes or say no. What do you think? I need to hear from everybody. All right, if you said yes to jellyfish, you are right. All right, everybody, what sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. So jellyfish. Jelly. Fish, jellyfish. All right, let's look at my next one. My next picture. Glue. 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 Does it start like J? Yes or no? Glue. All right, it does not. It starts like J. For, if I want it to say J for J, but it says G for G. So I don't need that one. I'm going to put it in the bottom. All right, my next one is juice. Juice. Does juice start like J? Yes or no? Or thumbs up or thumbs down? Juice. Yes, it does. So I'm going to put that in there. All right, repeat after me. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. So we have jellyfish, juice. Say that with me. Jellyfish, juice. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. All right, my next one right here. Oops, I forgot I had it on the pen there. So let's go back to the hand right here. Lion. Lion. Do I want to put lion on my J circle chart? No, because it starts like L instead of J. So I'm going to move it down to the bottom. All right, my next one is either jam or jelly. You can say either. I'm going to call it jam. Jam. What sound do you hear at the beginning of jam? I'm listening for J. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Does jam start with J? Yes, if you said yes, you are right. Jam. What sound? Everybody say it with me. J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. All right, read the pictures with me. We have jellyfish, juice, jam. All right, let's come over here to kite. Kite. Does kite start with J? No, it does not. So I'm going to put that down at the bottom. All right, this one is a little tricky. It's also another picture of can be jam or jelly. Since I already did jam, I'm going to say jelly this time. Jelly. So we're listening for the J sound. Does jelly start with J? It does. So I'm going to put it on my chart. All right. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. So jelly. J. E. L. L. Y. Jelly. Let's read our pictures. Jellyfish. Juice. Jam. Jelly. All right, my next picture is diamond. Diamond. Does diamond start like J? Diamond. D. No, it starts like D for D. All right, next picture over here. Hippo. Hippo. Does hippo start like J? No, it does not, so I don't want it. All right, let's look at our last one right here. It looks like an airplane. Well, we're going to call it this time a jet. Jet. So what sound do you hear at the beginning of jet? You're listening for the J sound. Does jet start like J? Yes, it does. So we're going to move it into our circle chart. All right, everybody say it with me. If you don't practice saying it, you won't get the sound. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Jet. J. J. E. T. Jet. All right, one more time. I need everybody to say the sound. If you're not saying it, you're not going to learn it. All right, what sound? J. Good. Let me hear you. What sound? J. Good. What sound? J. Good. And how do I write J? J. Let's read our pictures. Touch them with me. Jellyfish. Juice. Jam. Jelly. Jet. Let's read that one more time. Jellyfish. Juice. Jam. Jelly. Jet. Very good. All right, boys and girls, we're going to end one more time saying our sound. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? J. How do I write J? J. Good job. So we did J for the J sound today.